Hello and welcome to React Native Feedback Reporter. In this video, we will go over key features of what React Native Feedback Reporter is and what you can use it for. On the right hand side of my screen, I have the Pixel 5 device connected to my computer. That's my real Pixel 5 device for this demo purposes. And on the left hand side, I have some of the developer tools like Jira here, and I also have Slack open to show you guys how the information flows from a tester to a developer and what kind of information would you be receiving. So without any further ado, let's see what React Native Feedback Reporter is. So a tester is working with your app and they find a bug. They want to take a screenshot of that bug. So I'll take a screenshot now. And when they take the screenshot, the React Native Feedback Reporter pulls up. It will show the screenshot they took. And on the right hand side, you can see that there's an option for you to upload more screenshots in case one is not sufficient. So I'll click on that and I'll add some more. I'll add one more in this case. And then I'll click on share to share that to other tools. Now let me hide this real quick so I don't want somebody's personal information coming out. I'll tap share. All right. So when you click on share, is basically the native modal that comes up, which is going to allow you to share in every way possible. So in this case, you can see we have Slack, we have Jira. If you have another app like GitHub, that would show up here as well. In this case, it's also showing WhatsApp, Telegram, all kinds of stuff really. So in this case, I'll show Slack. And again, I'm going to hide this so no personal information shows up. And just selecting some of the options. Okay, great. So I am selecting to send it to myself on my personal Slack. I'll send it now. And you can see upload started. So if I go over to my Slack, that's where the information came in. So there's 4 attachments. So 2 of them will be just the images that we got. So you can see 1 and 2. And the other 2, one of them is the Redux store. So I have integrated with my Redux store, and there's a documentation for that in the docs as well. And then the other one is basically the dev notes, which is again in the documentation. You can provide all kinds of information here. This is not something that is predefined. You can put anything in your app. In this case, I decided to just get the device information, so the tester doesn't have to keep telling me what device they were using at the time of testing, all that. All right, so let me show you guys how it works with Jira. There is integrations to it, so I will uncomment some of the code that I had commented earlier. And I will trigger this again. So I'll take a screenshot again. And this time we have some more options. In this case, we have title, description, and some integrations like Jira and Slack. So if you don't want to use share option, and rightfully so, because what if you could just create the ticket within your app and don't have to leave it, and it will just create the ticket for you in Jira, for example. So I'll say something happened. And this will go to Jira. I've already integrated with Jira using the documentation. So feel free to go there and check how to integrate with Jira. And I'll select the project, of course, and story. These are just default ones, so I'll use those. And let's say I put one more image somewhere here. Great. And I'll just report it. Now also there's Slack integration, and that's enabled as well, which is going to go to the random channel. So that's fine with me. And I'll just send it over, report. That should take me to the next screen where it will tell me what issue was created. So in this case, AP 107 was created. So I'll refresh my Jira. And there we go. AP 107 was created. And it has the same package where we have the dev notes about the device. We have the Redux state, so you can plug it in directly into React Native Debugger. We have the images. And yeah, both the images came through. And along with the title and the description, something happened. So that's about it.